Methods of reducing friction. What are the methods of reducing friction? Number one. So we use lubricants. Lubricants like oil, grease. Okay. Oil and grease we use. Okay. So to reduce the friction between the surfaces. Example, like suppose in machinery, like whether it is a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or any vehicles. For any vehicle, we use we use lubricants like oil, grease, and all to reduce the friction between the parts, so that to avoid wear and tear, and also for the smooth movement of the machines or the parts of the engine. The second one is we use powder. Like suppose when you are playing carom board. In the carom board, we have the white color powder known as boric acid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the powder. We put the powder.
Yes.
Can we put oil on that board? It's not possible, right? Can you apply
No,
on
sir.
the board? It's not possible. It will make it dirty or spoil it. Okay, so we don't use oil everywhere. So we use powder over there. Okay, so we put the powder so that the surface of the carom will become smooth, and you can easily play on the with the caroms. Okay. Next one, suppose where we cannot use powder also, where we cannot use oil and powder. Example, what is that? Like suppose when the glass, the glass sheets when one over the other, when they are kept one over the other because of the cold wedges. I told you yesterday also about the cold wedges. So when we keep one glass over the other glass, because of the cold wedge, they get stuck in each other perfectly, firmly, very firmly. You can't move one over the other. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to move one glass over the other. If you move it, it will scratch. One glass will scratch over the other glass. Both the glasses will get spoiled. It's very, very difficult for the glass industry people. So what they do is they give compressed air between the two sheets like this. They apply compressed air, purified compressed air. So when they put the compressed air, then the between both the sheets, the small layer forms, and you can easily move one glass over the other glass without scratching. Understood? So we use the compressed air. Okay, purified flow of compressed and purified air. Compressed and purified air. So is it clear? So in the machinery, in the two-wheelers, four-wheelers, and all, we use oil and grease. Where we cannot apply oil and grease, we use powder like carom board. And the next one is what? We use a flow of compressed and purified air for that. Okay. So that completes your chapter. Okay. And we have to do free body diagram numericals. Clear? Free body diagram numericals, I will do tomorrow. Is it clear, all of you, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So quickly, what we have done today? So we started with applications of conservation of momentum. Then we did application of conservation of momentum. What are the examples? A recoil of a gun, collisions, rocket propulsion, then bomb, explosion of a bomb. 4 examples we did. Then we went to that is banking of road, first level road. We studied about the level road, we studied about the bank road, we studied about the Newton's third law of motion, and then we did methods of reducing friction. Okay, so derivations are very important. Please write and practice the derivations. Unless and until you write and practice, you won't get that in examination. Now keep this in the mind. Out of 70 marks, 30 marks paper will be descriptive, 30 will be comprehensive. Comprehensive, I mean case study, assertion reasoning, and MCQs will be there. So if you lose one, if you do it wrong, you lose 1 mark. If you write it correctly, you will get 1 mark. But whereas in descriptive, it's not like that. Out of 3, if you write something, you will get 2.5, something you will get. But it doesn't happen in the comprehensive or MCQs and all. So please be thorough with the concept. Go through the test book, download the exemplar book also. As someone told me yesterday also, I am ready. Once I'm done with this, I'll do that exemplar exercise with you people. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Okay, have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow again, same time. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.